Hello and welcome. What you can also do is you can upload a file to your WordPress site for downloading. Now you'll probably want to make sure that this file is going to be relatively small and light so that your visitor will be able to download it easily. And typically if your file is going to be large and downloadable, you want to use that on some other kind of hosting server. And that being said, all you'll need to do is to click this Add Block button, and you're going to write in the word file. And you're going to see a block inside of the common blocks area. You're going to click that link. That's going to give you this interface. When you get to that interface, you're going to pick the file from your hard drive. Now when you have this block written here, you can change and write in the file name however you want it to be. So for example, if we want to change this file name, all we'll need to do is to backspace through this content. We can then write in the file name as we want it to be. We can allow that content to stand. Now, of course, once we place our cursor back in here, we can control the appearance of the link. So what we can do is we can make it so that it aligns to the left. We can have it aligning to the center. We can have it aligning all to the right. We can also change some of the properties of the block. So for example, we can link to the media file, or we can link to an attachment page. We can also make sure that the file opens up inside of a new tab. You'll notice here that there is a download button. We do not have to include that download button if we don't want to. Or we can make sure that it stays so that the person will be able to see what they're downloading. And once you have this element looking the way you want it to be, all you'll need to do is to click either the Update or the Publish button. And you'll see your post on the page, and all your visitor will need to do is to click the Download button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.